Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So guys, in front of me is the S&P 500 futures chart, and as you can see today, we have bounced here on Monday, currently trading at 3,312. I said on Friday that I really like the setup here in the S&P 500 because unlike the Dow and unlike the Nasdaq 100, we are particularly close toward that 200-day EMA. And this is an area which which I believe will be very well supported. And for those who don't know, the 200-day EMA is this blue line that you see on the screen here. So this area here will act as significant support here in the markets. So I'm a buyer here on the 200-day EMA. I'm targeting towards a 50-day EMA and back at all-time highs at 3,600. I'm not going to take profits at the 50-day EMA, but what I'm looking to do is add a second buy position at this area here once we get a daily close above it. And both of these trades will be targeting back towards the all-time high. So I bought on Friday, and I will be looking to buy back above the 50-day EMA at around $3,370. So very good news today. I'm trading very much in the profit. I know that my signal team is. I sent a signal out on Friday to buy the S&P 500 going into the closing bell. So well done to everyone on the signal team who's making money. This is a perfect example of how it could be very beneficial to you, you viewers who have not yet signed up to our signal teams to profit from these markets. Going into a US election, you need help and guidance by someone who's traded previous US elections like I have, and just has some more knowledge about the stock market. So do not hesitate if you are wanting to sign up, because there are some great money-making opportunities ahead. But back to the S&P 500, I am very bullish here. I want to point out the fact that historically after a US election, the stock market does very well. Doesn't matter who wins. An example which I just used on my Nasdaq 100 video was that, back in 2016, and analysts and banks were coming out, banks like Goldman Sachs and Citibank, they're all coming out saying that if Donald Trump wins, they can see a 10% fall in the stock markets. And Trump come out, and of course he won the election. And what happened? Well, actually the opposite happened. The markets had a 6-month rally. No matter who wins the US election, I do expect it to be very bullish because, it will give us some clarity of the future. At the moment, it's very uncertain to what we're going to get, whether we're going to get an increase in taxes or whether, Donald Trump's going to be elected, and it's just a bit all over the place at the moment. But if we can get some more clarity on that, I do see the S&P 500 gaining steam. And I also want to point out, more importantly, is that the S&P 500 has a lot of these value stocks. So when I say value stocks, I mean banks, I mean airlines, just transport and hospitality stocks in general, which have, their stock prices are still very low, since the crash that we saw back in March. So if there's any news on a stimulus deal, then these stocks typically rally hard. So, and that's, once we get the US election over and done with, that's when we will then see a continuation of the negotiations towards this second stimulus deal, because the people and the businesses of America need it, and it will come. And when it does, the S&P 500 should do very well. So for that reason, I'm bullish, not just from a technical perspective, but also from a fundamental perspective. From technical perspective, this market is very well supported, and the fundamentals, things are starting to look a lot better once we get the US election out of the way. I'm a buyer, no interest.